YouTube Superstar Review. What would your daily routine look like if your YouTube channel was publishing videos and collecting subscribers completely on its own? Hey everyone, Dustin here. Welcome back to my channel. This powerful new AI platform is called YouTube Superstar. YouTube Superstar is a cloud-based software platform that manages the full production cycle of a YouTube channel without requiring the user to film, record, or edit anything. Its standout features include automated topic research, AI-generated scripting, complete video production, voiceover narration, and direct publishing to YouTube. The major advantage for most users is that the entire workflow runs from a single dashboard, making consistent channel output achievable for people with no prior video production experience. In this video, I'll give you a full demo of YouTube Superstar, break down the complete funnel and all available upgrades, and some exclusive bonuses you'll get if you decide to purchase through my link. So, if you're ready to see what YouTube Superstar can do, let's jump into the demo right away.
Hello, and welcome to YouTube Superstar, a brand new AI app that helps ordinary people become YouTube superstars without recording videos, showing their face, or saying a single word on camera. Just pick a niche, let AI do the heavy lifting, and focus on growing your channel. Alright, let's jump into the app and see how it all works. So after logging in, this is the main dashboard. You're instantly greeted with a massive library of ready-to-use templates, making it easy to discover new ideas and start creating in seconds. We've got romantic, funny, motivational, inspirational, emotional, relatable, and much more. And if you'd rather create something completely unique, you can always start from scratch. All I need to do is upload my visual, enter a dialogue, and let AI handle the rest. Now let's head back and take a look at some of the trending templates. I'm going to select this one right here, Introvert Life. I'll enter. You know, sometimes silence says more than words. Let's click Generate Video. And there we go.
You know, sometimes silence says more than words.
We simply selected a template, entered a single line of dialogue, and the AI handled everything else automatically. Now let's try something a little different. I'm selecting this anniversary template from the romantic category. This time, I'm going to let the AI create the dialogue for me. I'll enter, a special anniversary night. Now I'll click the AI button. The AI instantly generates a complete dialogue. Let's click Generate Video. And our video is ready.
A magical anniversary evening awaits.
Now let's explore one more example. I'm selecting the self-discovery template from the inspirational category. I'll enter, maybe I've been looking everywhere except within. Let's click Generate Video. And there we go.
Maybe I've been looking everywhere except within.
That looks absolutely incredible. But that's not all. YouTube Superstar also comes with powerful growth tools. Smart Topic Finder scans YouTube for you, helping you discover trending topics, analyze competitors, and identify high RPM content opportunities in any niche. We also have AI title, description, and tags generators to help optimize your content. And with the AI thumbnail generator, simply enter a prompt, click Generate, and get a custom thumbnail in seconds. If you've ever wanted to become a YouTube superstar, this is the easiest way to get started.
I hope you understand how YouTube Superstar does its magic. First, there is the YouTube Superstar front end. To check all the upgrades, check the link in the description. The first upsell is YouTube Superstar Unlimited. Removes all limits on channels, videos, voiceovers, publishing, and scaling. Includes commercial rights. Second upsell is Done For You. Provides pre-built channels, ready-to-publish videos, scripts, thumbnails, branding, and content calendars. Third upsell is Traffic Booster. Boosts channel traffic, views, subscribers, and audience growth using automated promotion tools. Fourth upsell is Clickbait Thumbnail Generator. AI generates unlimited high CTR, viral-style thumbnails with templates, testing, and automation. Fifth upsell is Global. Clone channels into 20+ languages with native voiceovers, localization, and international SEO. Sixth upsell is YouTube Channel Monetization. Unlocks monetization strategies, revenue tools, affiliate integration, sponsorship assets, and profit optimization. 7th upsell is YouTube Viral Success Masterclass. Advanced training revealing viral growth tactics, channel scaling, audience building, and YouTube success framework. 8th upsell is agency. Sell YouTube channel creation and management services to clients with agency rights included. 9th upsell is franchise license. Obtain franchise rights to resell the business model and keep generated profit. Lastly, the 10th upsell is white label. Rebrand the software as your own product with custom branding and business control. And that's not all. Here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. The link is below this video. One payment gives you lifetime access to the complete YouTube SuperStar software, with no monthly fees and no recurring charges. Your channel has been waiting long enough. Get YouTube SuperStar today and start publishing before the day is over.
Fearless.